Hello, good evening traders. I am Anand Gyanbote for providing tomorrow's call. Friends, I have uploaded one Hindi video of stop loss, that is the part 1, and I think most of you have already seen that video, and most of the messages I got from my WhatsApp. So I request you should write the comments on the video, so the world can see, or our Indian people can see the comments, and they can take an advantage of that also. So before providing tomorrow's call, I need to take an analysis of my yesterday's calls. I was busy in somewhat examination, and I have given 2 buy calls and 2 sell calls. In that, most of the clients has booked a profit, and in the morning session, some problems of order placing was happened in Zerodha, but the other clients have made some decent profit in HDFC Bank and Sun Pharma, and they lost some points in HDFC, and Reliance was not traded. Okay, so I will take an analysis of what was happened in that in HDFC and HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank was opened around 1519, that is a 3 point up from our price, and we entered long in HDFC, and we wait for our SL of 1502, and suddenly our SL was hit in that, and the high made is 1526, but our high was made the first, and then SL hits. So what is the necessity of that? And if the SL hits after your target hits, okay, so most of the clients are waiting for the first target of 1530, and they have exited the position around 1520 when it was coming down. So the target points are calculated on the basis of some technical analysis, and sometimes what happens, the target was not hits, and it suddenly comes down, and we are having one rule of Nifty, and if Nifty is going in upward direction, then we are buying, and if the Nifty is coming down, or when the Nifty is falling, then we are selling. Okay, so currently what is happening in the Nifty is opening gap up of 20 points or 12 points, and it is consolidating on the same price or same level, and it was coming down in the afternoon session. Okay, so what is happening with our buy call, and most of the traders and most of the news on TV is also saying the buying is still present in Nifty, but Nifty has to go some lower points of 9084, and it is 100 points long from the current price. So it will take time, and tomorrow, or tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Thursday the expiry of Nifty is there, so the most volatility and more volatility can be seen in the Nifty and HDFC. So I will not wasting the time, I will discuss my calls here. Okay, I will give you the news on Nifty, how to trade on Nifty. HDFC Bank was opened around 1466, and we have suggested the buy on 1462, and most of the clients has bought on the lower level, that is called as bottom fishing, and one client of me has bought around 1456, and it was going down, and it was not hit our SL of 1453 I have given, 1451, and it suddenly gone up and hit our first target also and second target also. You can see the momentum here, and it was closed around 1496. So one of the client has booked a profit around target 2 also, that 50% exit on target 2 and 50% exit on target 1. He has messaged me on WhatsApp. And in Sun Pharma, I have suggested selling on 655 to 656, but it was opened a gap up 659. So we have to wait and watch for the price will come up to our level, and you can short on the higher levels also, because the sell momentum was already told you that Sun Pharma is in sell, and the first target I have given the 640, and our first target was met here, and it was closed down on 639. So our second target 627 can hit tomorrow, and future traders can hold the Sun Pharma for the second target. Okay, the Reliance, I have already mentioned that I was not sure on Reliance because the Reliance was a strong uptrend, so selling cannot be initiated here. And you can see it was opened around 1380, and I have suggested this selling on Reliance on 1369. Okay, the close price was 1369, and I have given the SL of 1380. So it has opened on 1380.50, and it has not came down from 1378.55. Okay, so you should not trade the call when the first target or stop losses hits at the opening price. Okay, so Reliance was not traded, it is kept out. And in live call session I have given two calls, Grasim and Gale. Both calls are hit SL. There is some reason or some news was happened in that, I think, and the Gale was suddenly came, but it has made high of 409, and I have suggested to exit from that. And the internet connection problem is there in my phone, I think, so the message was not gone to my clients, and the certain losses will be extended. Okay, so that is that I will take care from tomorrow. That will not happen in future. Okay, so I have drawn some 4 calls tomorrow. So we are not need to remove these calls. I have already added in my 4th section here. So these are the tomorrow's call. And the first call is Hexaware and Ashok Leyland. So, and one more thing to tell you that my dear traders, so we are trading with Nifty on only Nifty 50 stocks. Okay, so these are the other stocks from other category, and these are in strong momentum. So we are not trading on Nifty rule here today, tomorrow. So Hexaware, Ashok Leyland for buy, and Alchem and Crisil for sell. And Nifty is not mandatory. Nifty where we'll go, we are not carrying off Nifty for tomorrow, and we are going to buy the Hexaware tomorrow on 215 to 216 level, and we are maintaining the stop loss of 212. I will tell you which call is not sure. So Hexaware, the first target I am looking for Hexaware is 212, and the second target is 220. Okay, so here if you are observing here, what is this? The sellers are to sell the position. So this call is not sure. You can think that this call is not sure. Okay, I am suggesting buy, but here it is showing sellers are interested to sell their stocks because they are making profit booking or any what. So you can do bottom pitching here, and I am maintaining the stop loss of 212 here. Okay, so don't buy this Hexaware on market opening session. I will guide you where to buy and when to buy. Okay, the second call, Ashok Leyland. If you observe here, Ashok Leyland is strong buying, and still the people are interested in buying Ashok Leyland. Okay, and we are going to buy Ashok Leyland tomorrow when the market opens. Don't wait for the price moves or down or up. So we are going to buy Ashok Leyland tomorrow in a large quantity. The current price is 85.25. I am recommending the stop loss of 83.50, and the first target I am looking for Ashok Leyland is 87 rupees, and the second target of 88 rupees. Okay, I am also suggesting you, if you hold Ashok Leyland for few days, it will go up to 92 to 95, and the stop loss for holding is placed to be 80 level, 80. Okay, so this is the Ashok Leyland buy call, and the Alchem, the third one, is sell. The Alchem was 2068 CMP, and I have selected selling Alchem tomorrow. So if you observe here, more sellers are interested in selling tomorrow when the market opens. So you can check this also for selling the stock when the market has closed. Okay friends, and Alchem was looking weak, very weak, and I am maintaining the stop loss of 2095, and the first target I am looking for Alchem is 2407, that is 2407, and the second target is I am looking for is 2022. Okay, so this is the second target, and the fourth one CRISIL I have selected for selling, and we are not seeing here any price here, any price for buy bids also and for selling bids also. So the CRISIL was in very weak, and it is coming down from 2400, and the current CMP was closer around 1911.45. So I recommend the selling in CRISIL tomorrow around 1920 or 21, what the price you will get after the market opens. And I am maintaining you a small stop loss of 1938. 1938 is stop loss, and the first target I am looking for CRISIL is 1903, and the second target is 1892, and the third target is 1876. I have calculated the third target for CRISIL also, that is 1876. The large move can be possible in CRISIL, so you can trade with a stop loss and adding some quantities when the first target is when the market is moving in our favor. Okay, first you have to take 10 quantities or 50 quantities according to your risk, and if the stock is moving in our favor, then you can add some more quantities, like 100, 500 or anything. Okay, so you should share these calls with your friends for hitting our targets, so most people can take an advantage of this. Okay, so I have uploading very soon one video on operators and stop loss part 2, how to place the stop loss orders. Okay friends, so that's it for now. That's it for today. Bye bye from tradingteacher.in. If you have any doubts on these calls, you can contact me on my mobile number or my WhatsApp. Okay friends, bye bye.